Hello everyone, I hope you are all fine. I am June Nandi ma'am. Today's topic of discussion is correct usage of conjunction. Now before going into the details, let me brief you with conjunctions first. Now what is conjunction? Conjunction is a word that is used to join words or group of words or sentences. Okay? Now conjunction are of three types: coordinating conjunction, subordinating and correlative conjunction. Now what is coordinating conjunction? Coordinating conjunction joins two statements of equal importance. Okay? Two statements of equal importance with these words. Now fanboys, this is the acronym of fanboys are for, F for and, A for and, N for not, B for but, O for or, Y for yet and S for so. Okay. Now if you can remember this fanboys, you will remember your coordinating conjunction. Okay. Now I'll just give you one example. She loves tea and coffee. Now as I said, coordinating conjunction joins two sentences of equal importance. Okay. Now look at this sentence. She loves tea. If I break this sentence and say it separately, she loves tea, she loves coffee. Now both sentences are of equal importance. So she loves tea, if I join it, she loves tea and coffee. Okay, so it is joined by the conjunction and. So just remember this fanboys. If you remember this fanboys, you remember your coordinating conjunctions. Okay. Next we come to the subordinating conjunction. Now what is subordinating conjunction? Subordinating conjunction joins subordinate clause to a main clause. Joins subordinate clause to the main clause. Like these are the subordinating conjunctions: after, although, as, because, before, how, if, once, since, that, than, though, till, until, when, where, whether, while. So these are the subordinating conjunctions. Now, subordinating conjunctions, they join subordinate clause to the main clause. Now, what is the meaning of this? Look at this. I'll explain with this example. I left for the school when the rain stopped. Now, I left for the school. This is the main clause. When the rain stopped. This is the subordinate clause. Okay? And when is the subordinate conjunction. This is the subordinate conjunction of time. So, subordinate conjunctions, they join subordinate clause with the main clause. Now, what is a clause? Clause has a subject and a predicate. A clause has a subject and a predicate and a verb. Now, if I take this example, as I said, this is a clause, main clause, and this is the subordinate clause. Now, as I said, clause has a subject and a predicate. Now, take this sentence. I is the subject. Left for the school is the predicate. Okay? And it has a finite verb in it. So, a clause has a subject and a predicate along with a finite verb. Okay. Next we come to the correlative conjunction. Now what is correlative conjunction? Correlative conjunction is always used in pairs. Okay. Like you see, they are used in pairs. As, so, neither, no, so that, either or, both and, such that, no sooner than, not only but also. So you see, they are used in pairs. Okay. Now take an example. Neither he nor I can accompany you today. So this is correlative. It's showing the relation between these two sentences. Neither and nor is the correlative conjunction, showing the relationship between the two verbs, the two words. Okay. He and I, these are relative words. Okay, relative words, and neither and nor is connecting these two relative words. So we have seen the three types of conjunctions. Now we are going to cite some examples and discuss about the correct usage of conjunctions. Okay. Now, with the help of these examples, we will see how to correctly use conjunctions. Take the first example. He had hardly heard the news, then he wept aloud. Now, hardly. Now, hardly pairs with, you see, hardly pairs with when. Hardly and when are correlative conjunctions. Now they pair, as I have told you, correlative conjunctions, they occur in pairs. Now hardly pairs with when, not then. So this is the wrong use of conjunction. He had hardly heard the news when he wept aloud. Okay, so we will use when and not then. Now take the second example. No sooner had he returned, but he was off again. So no sooner pairs with than. No sooner pairs with than, not but. So this no sooner is correlative conjunction and it pairs with than, not but. So no sooner had he returned than he was off again. Okay, so we will use no sooner with than. Now take the third example. Unless you do not work hard, you will fail. Now you see, unless, the word unless itself says if not. Unless means if not. Okay. Now if not you work hard, you will fail. So this itself is telling you if you do not work hard, you will fail. So there is no need of using do not again. So this is cancelled. Unless you work hard, you will fail, which itself tells that if you do not work hard, you will fail. So do not is cancelled here. Now take the fourth example. Because he is rude, therefore he is punished. Now because and therefore are not taken together. These two conjunctions cannot go together in one sentence. So we will just strike off therefore. Therefore is not required. Because he is rude, he is punished. Okay. Now take the fifth example. Though he is poor, but he is happy. Now with though, although, they itself stand alone as conjunction in this sentence. There is no use of using but. Okay. So though he is poor, he is happy. Although he is poor, he is happy. So there is no use or there is no requirement of using but. Okay. Now take the sixth sentence. If you do not labor, then you cannot pass. Now if, with if, as, when, we do not use then. There is no use of using then. Okay. So just if you do not labor, you cannot pass. As you do not labor, you cannot pass. Okay. So with if, as, when, do not use then. So then is cancelled. Okay. Just write this down, these examples. Okay. So we will see how sometimes correlative conjunctions are wrongly used. Correlative conjunctions should be used beside the related words. Now you see in this example, either the step taken was right or wrong. Now which are the related words? This is the correlative conjunction, either or. And which are the related words? Related words is right or wrong. Okay? But you see how wrongly it is used. Either should have been placed beside the related words. These two are the related words. It should have been placed here, just before this related words, but it is used far off. So what will be the correct form or rectified one? The step taken was either right or wrong. So you see, either is shifted just beside the two related words. So right and wrong is the related words, and either, the correlated conjunctions, are placed before or besides the related words. Okay, so right and wrong are the related words, and the correlated conjunctions are just placed beside them. Now you see the second example. He not only cheated me but also my friend. Now which are the related words? The related words is me and my friend. But you see, this not only and but also, these two are the conjunctions, correlated conjunctions. But you see, not only should have been placed here besides the related words, but you see where it is placed. So this is the wrong use, incorrect use. Now how should it be used? He cheated, not only me. So me and my friend is the related words, and related conjunctions are just placed beside those related words. So you see, not only is shifted near me. So he cheated not only me but also my friend. Okay, now you see the third example. He neither speaks English or French. He neither speaks English or French. So you see the wrong placement of the conjunction. Which are the two related words? English and French. So neither should have been here, placed here. So it should be like this. The correct sentence should have been, he speaks neither English nor French. So neither should have been placed here beside the two related words, English and French. Okay? And one more mistake here is or. Or is the wrong use of the conjunction, correlative conjunction, because neither with neither we use nor. Neither pairs with nor, not with or. So he speaks neither English nor French. Okay? So you have seen the use of conjunctions, how important it is. It binds sentences, words, group of words. It's like a cement. Okay? So I hope you all have understood what I have explained. Thank you and God bless you.